Highlights of 7 concepts in the Practitioner's Guide to Enterprise Access Governance via Visa.com. 1. Automated or human-approved workflows. To approve access being granted, should conform to the enterprise policy intent. 2. Automate the provisioning of access on the target systems. To remove the potential for human error. Drive a program to implement more cohesive automation. Focus on replacing the application and having new applications designed with a more integrated privilege management approach. 3. Continuously extract the configured access control state from the distributed set of applications and other object collections. Continuously compare that with the expected configuration derived from the rules, roles, and attribute set. From this, deal with any detected exceptions. 4. Continuously extract the actual use of specific privileges, and over suitable time periods flag for removal any which are unused. 5. Align with Asset Discovery Program to continuously monitor whether or all the actual assets in the organization are within scope. 6. Continuously run the enterprise rules against the observed state of privilege assigned to look for any toxic combinations of access. Adopt various levels of analytics, basic or more advanced ML approaches, to recommend access adjustments. 7. Establish and manage the enterprise policies of rules and roles to be used by all the other elements. Here there will be significant, and often underestimated, effort to manage this metadata of the privilege program. Also consolidate and drive automated actions from specific enterprise event triggers, like levers, movers, joiners, and other types of events. Explore this and more at Visa.com.